Lesson 8.3. Today's lesson is connecting fractions to division. Our essential question: how does a fraction represent division? Let's connect. A fraction can be written as a division problem. So if I have 3/4 equals 3 divided by 4, 12 over 2 equals 12 divided by 2. And the top part, you say, I always like to say that this line says the word divided. So 3 divided by 4. So you can see how they wrote 3 divided by 4. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. So let's unlock the problem. There are 3 students in the craft class and 2 sheets of construction paper for them to share equally. What part of construction paper will each student get? So let's circle the dividend first. The dividend is 2. Then it has to underline the divisor. The divisor is going to be 3. So I have 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3, right? Now I can use a drawing to divide the pieces of paper into 3 equal pieces. So here is 1 piece of paper, and here's 2 pieces of paper, and I have to divide them into 3 equal parts. My lines may not be very equal, but they're supposed to be equal, right? So now I have 1, 2, 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts, and I have 2 pieces of paper. So each student share 1 sheet of construction paper, and the answer is going to be, if they're sharing 1, and there's 3 students, and they're going to be sharing 1/3, okay, of construction paper. So let's count the number of thirds each student gets. Since there are 2 sheets of construction paper, each student will get 2 of the thirds, all right, 2 of the thirds, 2 of the thirds, or 2 times 1/3. So 2 divided by 3 is 2/3, because each student's going to get 2/3, right? 1, 2, so there's my answer. Let's check our answer. Since 2/3, which is our quotient, since 2/3 times the divisor, remember our divisor was 3, equals the dividend, which is 2, and the quotient is correct. So each student will get 2/3 of a sheet of construction paper. Let's look at another example. 4 friends share 6 granola bars equally. How many granola bars does each friend get? So we're going to have 6 divided by 4. Step 1, let's draw the lines to divide the 6 bars into fourths. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 granola bars, and we're going to divide them into fourths for 4 parts. So each friend is going to share 1/4 of a part, right? So let's do that. There we go. And these should be equal lines, but they're not very equal. Sorry about that. There we go. So now I've divided them into 4 parts. So from each granola bar, they're going to get 1/4 of it. There are 6 candy bars, and if they're getting 1/4 of each one, they're going to get 6 of the 1/4, which is 6/4, right? So let's complete the number sentence, and we're going to write the fraction as a mixed number in the simplest forms. So we've got, remember we have 6/4 right here. And so 6 divided by 4, because that's essentially what that's saying, 6 divided by 4. Okay? Or, well, 4 goes into 6 one time with 2 left over. 2/4. 2/4 can be reduced, so you can say 1 1/2, because 2 goes into 2 one time and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So since 6/4 divided by 4 is 6, then the quotient is correct. So each friend will get 1 1/2 granola bar, or you could say 6/4 granola bar. Okay? Okay, let's try this. Oops. Let's try this. Miss Ruiz has a piece of string that is 125 inches long. For a science experiment, she divides the strings equally into 8 groups of students. How much string will each student get? Or will each group get? You represent this problem as a division equation or a fraction. So first we're going to divide. Write the remaining as a fraction, 125 divided by 8. So let's write that out. We have 125 divided by 8. 8 goes into 12 one time. 8 times that 1 is 8. I subtract. Can't take 2 from 8, so I make it be 12. And I have to borrow, making that be 0. 12 from 8 is 4. Now I'm going to bring down my 5. 8 goes into 45. Well, 8 times 5 is 40. I subtract. I get 5 left over. Remember, they said to write your leftover as a fraction. So I've got 5 eighths. Okay, so 15 and 5 eighths. 15 and 5 eighths. Okay, now they want us to write 125 divided by 8 as a mixed number in the simplest form. And again, it's going to be 15 and 5 eighths, because 5 eighths can't be reduced. So each group is going to get 15 and 5 eighths inch of string. So let's explain why 125 divided by 8 gives the same result as 125 over 8. Well, the reason is because both 125 divided by 8 and 125 over 8 represents 125 inches of string divided equally among 8 groups. 125 divided by 8 and 125 eighths are equivalent expressions for division. All right, let's share and show. Let's draw the lines in the model to complete this number sentence. 6 friends share 4 pizzas equally. So I have 4 pizzas, and I've got 6 friends, so I need to make these be 6 parts. So if I draw a line here, I draw a line there, I draw a line there, I should have 6 pieces in each of these. Okay? They're supposed to be equal, but my drawing is not very good. Sorry about that. So if I have 6 friends sharing 4 pizzas equally, then each friend is going to get 4/6, because I'm going to have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, and 4/6, right? Or 4/6 can be reduced because 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So, or 2/3 of a pizza. So each friend is going to share 2/3 of a pizza. Let's do this next one. We have 4 brothers sharing 5 sandwiches. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sandwiches. And I've got 4 brothers. So I need to make sure that I divide each of these up into supposedly equal pieces of 4. So that means each brother's going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fourths, because I broke them into fourths. Or 4 goes into 5 one time with 1 left over. So each brother's going to get 1 1/4 sandwich. All right, I want you to do the rest on your own. I'll be on the carpet if you need help, and you can also work with a buddy. Good luck.